Today we are going to be changing the parcel shelf, and I also have this, which is the radio antenna amplifier. So I don't think the one in here is working, or they've done something else and that's the reason why, but you know, come from the scrapyard. So yeah, let's make a start. So to take the parcel shelf out, we have to remove the bottom of the seat, the back of the seat, these plastic pieces, and I believe it's just a couple of pull pins, and hopefully it should come out. So wish me luck. So before we do anything, I have to remove the bench bottom. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? What isn't easy when checking my analytics is 91.8% of you are not subscribed to my channel. I really enjoy what I do, and it's because of you I do these videos. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow it together. So then I believe these are held in by 3 bolts. 2 bolts? 2 bolts maybe, or 3. Or maybe more. Who knows? Might be 4. Let's have a look and see what happens. 18 mil. Look at that. One off. It's just the one that side then. Oh. Oh. Hey. And then we need to release that, don't we? So we put the 3rd seat belt through. So this one I'm undoing now is for the middle seat belt. Like that, and that can go up there. So now hopefully we should be able to lift this and it should come out. And you know what? I think it is. And there it is. Unfortunately, no goodies behind there other than a Zwanga Passeri radiology pen. Filler. It's disappointing, isn't it? Would like to have seen something goodies behind in there. So there are these that need to be taken off. Like that. Oh no, I've got the jeans dirty. I've got to go down well. I'm going to get told off for that. Oh. Pull that one off. Like that. These speakers have got to come out. Right, so in order to change the antenna box, as you can see, I've already undone these wires here. Unfortunately, when I've pulled that off, it has pulled off one of the little electronic popper things, so I'm gonna have to get some electric glue, electric conducting glue. However, I'm at the point now where all I need to do, put that on there, hopefully. I still don't know if this is actually a problem or whether there's another issue. I mean, I don't know if they listen to the radio in police cars in the States. I'm not quite sure what their rulings are on it, but I've got it. I may as well try it. Now, I also know that there's one that's gone in the taxi as well. So, brilliant. I know it's also gone in the taxi as well. Exactly the same thing. And it's out. So in with the replacement. Let's connect these up first, shall we? He says very willingly. That on there. That into there. That in there. Woohoo! And then should be able to stick the bolt back in like that. And then just tighten it back up. Lovely. Lovely jubblies. Whew. So then that clips on there, and then what do I do with the little popper? Where's my little popper gone? There it is. And we'll pop that in there so that it's in there, so I know where it is. He says. Do that. And then put it like that. Success. Now, what do we reckon? Do we think the radio is going to pick up a signal? I'll have a think about that. Anyway, let's get the rest of this parcel shelf out first. So to do that, there's these along here, and also there's a speaker that's screwed down over there, so we're gonna have to take that off. Right, let's try and get these poppers out. Oh, there's only two, is there? I thought there was more than that. That one over there. There's a tool you can get for this, you know. I don't know why I just don't buy one. So one. Right, so I need to undo this speaker here, which you can't see, as that's what's holding everything down. Stupid me. Got to undo the brake light in the middle, didn't I? Oh wow. 2017 granola bar. No, I'm not going to eat it. Now all we've got to do with that out is put the new one in. Let me go and get it. Oh. Right. So what I'll do it all back up and I'll come back to you once it's done. And it's all back together. That looks much better. Don't know what to do with this. Now all I've got to do is check to make sure I've wired up the deck lights right. And I'll do that now. And if it's that, as long as they work, I call that job's a good one. Look at that. Pretty cool. I'm trying to get to 1K followers. I still have a little way to go. So with your support, hopefully I can get there. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video.